motherfuckers and sons of bitches, and welcome back to another edition. Episode. Fuck, I don't know. Edition. Episode. Sunday Rides. My nephew had brought 6 guys, so him plus 6 guys. And I'm with Ralph, Terry, Cal. DJ's here. Wow, I haven't seen DJ in a long time, bro. Thank Ralph for not going in the river because I don't want wet boots right now. And alright. Which way did I go? Down that way, yeah? What the hell? It's having a hard time start, so we had to turn around. Stand it up, you're putting gas on the trailer. Yeah. What kind of tire did your friend have? Apparently he made... Yep.
Oh! Yo!
Yeah, take out air.
I did. Just before I came up here.
Oh, it's hot over there. Eh. Don't let it loose, because that hook will just come right off now.
Ready. On 1 and 2.
Ready?
Woo!
Okay. Someone's coming back?
Sounds like Eugene, huh?
Whew.
Your strap?
Yeah, Hayden's shot.
So be by your front tire. Yeah.
Who's that? Huh? It's Ralph.
Oh, dudes.
Dudes.
Let's go.
We're all coming back out?
No, we're waiting down there. But it's like the worst place to stop, though.
Well,
What's wrong?
no.
My stall on my bike, not engaging. So I'll go head on.
Yeah. We just got this bike here. Hold on. Yeah. So, 2 of my nephews, riding gang, went ahead. So now Ralph had come back. So we told him the situation. Me and my cousin's gang are gonna go out. So he went to go grab the other 2. And when they come here, we'll help them and get out. When I say we, I don't know where my nephew is. But yeah. I'd say it's just like a 15-20 degree slope. All muddy.
Oh, that's a 150 right there.
Oh fuck. So 150 coming in hot, but
There we go, I get that mustard radio, baby. Fuck, sorry.
hurting already.
Woo! Good thing he's turning around.
Oh. Fuck it. Oh, come on, bro. Wait, you know what, bro? You're gonna be right there, and I'll be right here.
I'm gonna pull him up one side.
If you roll back to that mud stuff, hold it, Uncle.
Boy. Boy, miss.
That's how I do it, right? Yeah. Similar, bro. Similar. Well, if you didn't have mud in your ear, you probably have tinnitus from all that revving going on. Yeah, I think this is a summer trail, yeah?
Woo. All right.
Summer trail? Whew.
Yes, sir.
Wow, I can see him over there. Something happened. Oh, here's bike. Oh, wait. Okay, now here is bike. What happened?
Something's like fucking going on. All I hear is ka, 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 and my fucking bike is going like,
Your chain is skipping, huh?
I don't know.
Is your chain too loose?
Kind of.
Yeah. You gotta push your axle back, huh? You have something big enough to loosen the nut on the other side?
See how this is? Oh, it's my fucking bearing, cuz. Look, this thing is all fucked up.
Oh. Yeah, I think I see it.
You see like shiny metal, huh? I see all the balls inside here. Fucking just
Alright, yeah, we're gonna have to take your ass out of here. Okay, wait here. Let me go tell them.
What the fuck is going on today, bro?
They're gonna go down.
My friends gonna stay with them.
Yeah.
See all the balls inside here. Just flopping around.
I don't know if I have something that big in. So I'm limping out my nephew. Did I tell you that his bearings went out on his back tire? I can't even remember what the fuck I tell you guys. But we're limping him out. He's right behind me. His rear axle bearing is shot on the chain side. So I'm just trying to take some smooth, fast stuff out. We can limp this bike back home. Everybody else went down Red Ginger. She's feeling kind of froggy. Oh, Jesus Christ. Smell. What's that smell?
Smell that?
Yeah. It's not you. I smelled it when you were behind me. I don't know. How's that? It's still skipping?
Yeah. You can hear them too, rubbing.
Okay. Well, I don't think we have any choice.
Yeah.
And so ends another day in beautiful Hawaii, riding on dirt bikes. Oh. Hope you enjoyed this. I don't know what this was. It was a ride. We rode.